how to connect domain in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to connect your domain or a custom domain with your Wix Studio. So first things first, open the dashboard of the specific website that you want to connect a domain to. So for example, this one. So let's select site so we could open our dashboard. Also keep in mind you will need to have an upgraded plan or a subscription in Wix to be able to connect your domain or a custom domain. So over here right now, as you can see, you can easily find it under your settings or under setup over here, wherein you're just going to enter the subdomain or the domain that you have purchased on any platform that you want, whether it's GoDaddy or inside of Wix itself or other platforms like Hostinger. So simply enter the domain over here, and for example, we have Caesar.shop over here. Click on let's go. It will be able to recognize whether that domain is already purchased. And of course, if it's yours, you can simply select, or there will be an option for you to say, yes, I own this domain. So as you can see, click on yes, I own this domain, and then the process would be different. But that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.